Welcome back. It's Dinorah, aka the Southern Belle of the South Bronx. If you are new here, welcome. Today we have a new recipe video. We're making a Kamut salad. And you're probably thinking to yourself, what is Kamut? So Kamut is a type of wheat. It's called an ancient grain because it has been rumored to be found inside of the tombs of pharaohs. So its origins are in Egypt, the Middle East, that part, Northern Africa. It's delicious. It's kind of like having like a wheat berry or like a farro. Kamut in particular, it's very chewy and bouncy, bouncier than a grain of rice or farro. It's buttery in flavor, and yeah, that's my favorite part about it, that it's very like chewy. And I haven't had it like cooked like a rice. I always have it in a salad. I just started cooking with it a few months ago, but I was very curious about the Kamut. So what I did was that I just followed the package instructions. I let it sit overnight in some water, and then I got to cooking the way I got to cooking a farro or barley or a I lost my train of thought. But anywho, let's get into this recipe. We're back. So as I was saying, the Kamut is very chewy and buttery and nutty. It did take a while to cook, and I didn't want my salad to be like dripping wet, as you probably saw in the clips before. So what I did was that after I drained it, I put it in the 400-degree oven for about 5 minutes just to remove some of the moisture. I still wanted it to have that chew and that bounce. I did not want it to crisp up or dry out. And then I'm just putting it on a bed of red kale just to get some greens in, and also I like different textures when I'm eating, hence the pecans, the dairy-free blue cheese that actually tastes like blue cheese. I had a little bit because I opened it up this morning. I was just like, this tastes like real blue cheese. It's like mind-blowing where dairy-free, plant-based, dairy alternative cheese has gone, because a few years ago it tastes like cardboard, if I'm being very honest with you. And again, I'm not vegan. I just choose to eat more of a plant-based diet. I still enjoy meats. So anywho, let's give this a taste. the Kabocha Squash, which in my household I grew up calling it ojama. My parents are Dominican. I'm Dominican, but I was born here. It brings that creaminess and sweetness, the dried cranberries, the blue cheese, which I still cannot get over how much it tastes like real blue cheese, the pecan, the scallions, and then that dressing, call it vinaigrette for being fancy. The vinaigrette, delicious. In recent years I've been really into like mustards. When I was younger I was like, oh no mustard for me, but Dijon did her thing. This is such a hearty, grounding meal to have, whether you're having it for lunch or as a snack or dinner or breakfast. I'm very big on having grains like rice, farro, barley, bulgur for breakfast. I'm into savory breakfasts, so this would be delicious. I really do hope you give this a try. Let me know if you've tried kamut before, whether in milk version, in a savory version like this, or sweet. I want to see if I can come up with like a sweet recipe, maybe like a pudding. I don't know, because it does have like that external shell, so I don't know what the texture would be like. I'm gonna give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Y'all be blessed. Bye.